In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the maximum upload file size in WordPress. If you've ever tried to upload a large file to your WordPress site and encountered an error message about file size limits, you're not alone. Luckily, there's a simple solution that doesn't require any complicated coding or technical know-how. We're going to do this by installing a plugin. First, let's head over to our WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look at the sidebar on your left and find the option labeled Plugins. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Add New. This is where you'll be able to search for the perfect tool to solve our upload size limitation. Now you'll see a search bar up top. In this search bar, type in something like Increase Maximum Upload File Size or Big File Uploads. These search terms will help you find plugins specifically designed to boost your upload limits without any fuss. With the results appearing before you, take a moment to choose a well-rated plugin. Often, these will have a good number of installations and positive reviews, which can assure you that others have had success with it. Once you've found a plugin that seems reliable, click Install Now. Wait a few moments for the download and installation to complete, and then click Activate. This activation step is essential, as it ensures that the plugin is live and ready to work its magic on your website. Now that the plugin is installed and activated, it's time to configure its settings. This step is straightforward, thanks to the intuitive design of most WordPress plugins. The plugin we've just activated has likely added a new settings page to your dashboard. You might find it nestled under the Settings menu or the Media menu. The exact location varies depending on the plugin's design. Once you're on the plugin's settings page, you'll typically see an option to set your desired maximum upload file size. It's commonly presented as a drop-down menu. Here, you can select a file size that suits your needs, be it 2 MB, 10 MB, 50 MB, or even larger, depending on what the plugin supports. Once you've made your choice, look for a Save Changes button. By clicking this, you're telling the plugin to adjust the default upload size settings for your WordPress site. And that's it. You've successfully increased your WordPress max upload file size, allowing you to upload larger files without a hitch. It's a straightforward process, but one that can make a significant difference, especially if you deal with high-resolution images, videos, or other substantial files. I hope this guide was helpful, and remember, if you ever want to revert back or change the settings, you can simply go back to the same plugin settings page. Thank you for watching and happy uploading.